Hi, this is Leo. We're going to take a look at how to uninstall extensions in Google Chrome. Right now I'm in the Chrome browser, and you can see in the top right here I have a number of extensions I've already installed in the past. But from time to time we might want to get rid of one of these extensions. And the reason for that is that we're simply not using it, it's not useful, you need to get rid of it. Or maybe you visit a website, you download a worksheet, whatever it might be, and that website has installed an extension for you that you had no intention of putting there. So we want to get it out of there. We have two ways we can do this. First, we can come up to any of the extensions that are showing and simply right-click on it and come down to Remove from Chrome. Or we can go to the three dots, More Tools, and we're looking for extensions. And when this page opens up, it's going to show every extension that's installed, and that's extensions that are showing and hidden. And this can be really important too, because if somebody installs something on there that you didn't want, a lot of times they're going to set it to hidden. That way you don't notice it right away. So to remove any of these, I would just go to the word remove. Now keep in mind, any of these extensions that you see on my page here, these are all good ones. There's no reason for me to get rid of one right now. But for the example, I'm just going to get rid of Grammarly. Click Remove. Little box will pop up here in the top right, asking me again. I'm going to click Remove. And now you can see that that icon is gone. And a page is shown up here too that's going to ask me why I uninstalled it. You don't have to fill this out, but you can if you want to give some feedback. So I'm going to close out of this. And we'll do one, but this time we'll do it from the little menu up here. So I'm going to go to Office Online, right-click, Remove from Chrome, Remove. And just like as with Grammarly, it's going to take me to a new window here, and that's going to give me some other options, but I can just close out of it. And that's it.